Hello, everybody. Clever Hilarious 20 here. And today, I got some things in the mail. Oh, hold on, I'll go open them. Got. So the first thing I got is a 1998 CD of VeggieTunes 2. I guess from Alibris. I was expecting them to be the 1999 CD, which is from Lyric Studios, but we're nothing, eh? Front has songs from Rack Shack and Benny, Dave and the Giant Pickle, Larry Boy, and Josh and the Big Wall. Yeah, I have actually got the early 18th birthday present. Okay, so there's the front, spine, and the back. Here's the D. Has a booklet or something. Oh, it's on there. Now I tried purchasing that CD off eBay, and when it came to the cost and delivery date range, I was like, nope, not gonna go for it. Okay, now for the next one. This is the 2009 DVD of VeggieTales, Tomato Sawyer, Huckleberry Larry's Big River Rescue. It's basically the 2008 DVD, only with new packaging. There's the front. There's the spine, a profile of Huckleberry Larry, played by Larry the Cucumber. Back says, take a little tribute on Mighty Mississippi, featuring the brand new silly song of the Biscuit of Sass Bow. Bus feature clip, Making Big River Rescue, studio commentary, art gallery commentary, family activity. Silly song sing along, bonus clips, Easter eggs, TV ROM fun, and space subtitles, 4 points, friends, closed caption. Okay, let me go open this. This is from, I got this from eBay. Okay. So there's the DVD. Let's open it up. Disc itself doesn't have. There. Okay, a few other if you have a few other items I order on various sites, well, I'll be showing when I get them. Okay, that's about it. Gotta go now. I'll see you next time. Bye.